In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the crop tool in Photopea. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just dabbling with photo editing for the first time, mastering the crop tool is an essential skill that can help refine your work and focus your visuals. So let's dive in and learn how you can make the most of it. First things first, let's open up your web browser and navigate to Photopea, the free online photo editor. Photopea is quite a versatile tool, and being browser-based means you don't need to worry about any installations or compatibility issues. Once you have Photopea open, you need to load up the image you want to work on. There are a few ways you can do this, by dragging your image into the browser window or using the File menu to open a new image. This interface is akin to what you might see in other popular photo editing software, so if you're familiar with those, you'll find yourself right at home. With your image now on the canvas, glance over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a vertical toolbar populated with various icons. Among these icons is the crop tool, represented by two overlapping right angles. Click on this icon to activate the crop tool. At this point, your canvas should display a translucent border with handles at all four corners, along with lines on the sides. You can use these to adjust the cropping area. Now let's get into the crux of cropping. Click and drag these handles to modify the rectangle, which outlines the portion of the image you want to keep. To make precise adjustments, click and hold a handle and move it slightly to suit your composition. You can adjust the boundaries from any of the four corners, and even resize it along the edges. This gives you full control over which parts of the image remain in the frame, allowing you to hone in on the most important areas or create a new composition altogether. While you are adjusting the crop area, pay attention to the rule of thirds grid that appears over your image. This can help guide your composition, ensuring your subject is well balanced within the frame. And remember, you can always adjust more than once if the initial attempt doesn't meet your expectations. Once you're happy with the selection, simply press Enter or click on the check mark at the top of the screen to apply the crop. Congratulations, you've successfully cropped your image. Take a moment to review your work and ensure everything is just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've learned how to crop an image in Photopea, a crucial step in editing that ensures your visuals have the impact and focus they deserve. Whether the goal is to highlight a particular detail or just tidy up the composition, this straightforward tool is at your disposal. Happy editing!